Today, we're diving into a high-octane comparison between two giants of the tire world, the Continental SportContact 7 and the Pirelli P Zero PZ4. Strap in as we analyze their performance to help you decide which tire might be the best fit for your ride. Both the Continental SportContact 7 and the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 are standout performers in the ultra high-performance tire category. Introduced in 2022, the SportContact 7 quickly earned acclaim with its advanced features and robust performance metrics. On the other hand, the P Zero PZ4 has been a favorite since 2016, known for its superior grip and stability. Let's talk dry performance. In a recent test, the SportContact 7 showcased its prowess by stopping 1.2 meters shorter than the PZ4 when braking from 100 kilometers per hour. Both tires, however, are neck and neck in dry handling, clocking average lap speeds around 115 kilometers per hour, making them top contenders in their category. Moving to wet conditions, both tires display impressive capabilities. The SportContact 7 edges out with a shorter braking distance at 38.8 meters from 80 kilometers per hour compared to the 41.3 meters of the PZ4. However, the PZ4 slightly outdoes the SportContact 7 in handling and aquaplaning resistance, emphasizing its balanced performance in challenging wet environments. In terms of noise, the P Zero PZ4 is slightly quieter, which could be a deciding factor for those sensitive to road noise. Moreover, the SportContact 7 stands out in rolling resistance, which could translate to better fuel efficiency and a reduced environmental impact, marking a significant advantage for eco-conscious drivers. In summary, both the Continental SportContact 7 and the Pirelli P Zero PZ4 have their unique strengths, making them both excellent choices depending on your specific needs and driving conditions. The SportContact 7 leads in braking performance, while the P Zero PZ4 excels in handling and noise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.